Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I will introduce to you myself. Firstly, my name is Mr. Unknown, and I show to you all the sounds of the words for free. You can download it. So today I will show you the tsunami siren sound effects. Like you see in the video in this interface, the credit of this file is here. All the sounds from freesound.org, and like you see, two sounds. The first sound is horn 01, and this sounds for free. You can download it for free, and the sounds of tsunami. The download link in the description box, so you can use all the sounds for free and without copyright issue. In the next part of this video, I will draw a tsunami siren cartoon, and you can see all this drawing in this channel. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and comment and nice comments in the